When I was growing up in Deer Park, there was a publication called Reader's Digest. And maybe Fran Barrett remembers that. Younger lawyers may not. But it had a segment that said, most unforgettable character that I've met. And I used to read some of the stories about individuals who led special lives. And one of those, of course, was Stephen Adams, Stephen R. Adams. I met about 20 years ago when he was in the prosecutor's office. And I had a couple DUIs and other criminal cases in front of Steve. We used to try cases on different sides of the fence that was hilarious. And we developed a friendship that grew almost into a brotherhood with Steve and I. And this seminar, we spoke about 12, 13 years ago. Steve loved to teach how to practice DUI law. The guy was a master. He and Judge Mark Painter and later another appellate judge put together a handbook of DUI law in the state of Ohio. He was academic. He was a dancer on St. Patrick's Day. He was a husband and a father and a law partner and a friend to everyone here. And he was tragically killed a little over a year ago, ironically, by someone driving a motor vehicle who killed him on Eastern Avenue, who I think is serving 6 years in prison as I speak. He would have loved to have been here. And when we set this date, neither one of us knew only one of us would attend. So about a month or so after his death, Jen, the paralegal, the person that really runs the law office more than Tad and Alex, sent me a card that Steve had written in his own handwriting, and it's embossed right there on the table. And she gave it out to some people, and I have it in my living quarters. So every now and then I see Steve's picture. And on that card, Steve wrote in his own handwriting. He used to write down sayings that he thought might be relevant and kept them on his desk. He would send them to people. I read this, what do you think? And one of the last things he wrote before he was killed was, arguments will cease, jealousy will not exist, no suspicions, no secrets, every sin is gone, every insecurity is forgotten, every fear is past. Pure wheat, no weeds, pure gold, no alloy, pure love, no lust, pure hope, and no fear. This is what heaven holds for me. And also on that was the note, God is with you every day. And so we hope as Steve's life ebbed away on Eastern Avenue that early morning of November 1st of last year, that he was in the presence of God Almighty, and that Steve is in heaven as we speak. But life goes on, doesn't it?